do we want to live and work in the future? Higher? Bigger? Smaller? More luxurious? Scaled down? Well, maybe not that scaled down. How about more sophisticated, like our solutions? But what solutions do we need to meet the challenges of a changing urban world? One thing is certain. As space is becoming increasingly scarce, it needs to be reimagined, because the value of space is not measured by square meters alone. What counts is to make something out of it. This is our goal, achieving the maximum together. For residents, guests, and investors. Optimal solutions for limited space. That's what it's all about for us. Maximizing the value of space together for everyone. Atmospheric, functional, intelligent, and organized. Maximizing the value of space together.